How do I disable the keyboard shortcut for menu in Linux Mint 13? I use GNOME a lot and usually I summon it using super plus space. It works just fine on my desktop PC, Linux Mint 11, but on my new ThinkPad T420, Linux Mint 13, it didn't work that well. I had to either tap super or space twice to open the GNOME pop-up. I quickly realized that this was happening due to the keyboard shortcut for menu, super, Windows button. I don't need the menu shortcut for anything. I already checked in preferences in GT, keyboard in GT, shortcuts, but there was no such setting as menu or start menu or anything like that. Where can I disable the keyboard shortcut for menu?
Source. Go to System Settings. Locales, I think it's called that way, but I am not sure since I use a German version of Cinnamon. Layouts. Select your keyboard layout and click on Options on the right. Alt/Win key behavior. Change it from default to hyper is mapped to Win keys. After performing these steps on Arch Linux with Cinnamon 1.4 up 3.1, I was able to use GNOME again.
Here is a solution that doesn't require fiddling with system settings. Tested on Mint 14 Mate, but should work on Cinnamon too. Right-click on menu icon on bottom left of desktop. Click Preferences. In the initial main button tab, click in the field to the right of keyboard shortcut. Press a new hotkey combo. I chose Ctrl+ Win plus space. Voila, there are now hotkeys for the menu as well as GNOME.
Left-click menu button, left submenu, down sub-window. Select shortcut for open-close the menu. The previous solution prevent you to use Alt for creating shortcut.
On Cinnamon on Linux Mint 13, Maya, the active the window menu shortcut, bound by default to Alt plus space, is under Menu in GT, Preferences in GT, Keyboard in GT, Shortcuts. Just click the relevant row to edit or disable the binding.
Version